Lisbon, Portugal, is not only famed for its vibrant architecture, but also for its hidden culinary treasures nestled in its labyrinthine alleys. Here, street food isn't just about sustenance. It's a celebration of Portugal's rich heritage and history. The iconic bifana, a succulent pork sandwich seasoned with garlic and spices, traces its roots back to traditional Portuguese kitchens. Further in, the markets buzz with locals and tourists alike, savoring pastéis de bacalhau, salted cod cakes that have been passed down generations. Uncovering these dishes is like tasting the very essence of Lisbon's cultural tapestry, each bite unveiling stories of exploration, tradition, and community.